Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful.
First, to understand our question, the program is to accept the integer n and k as the input and then form a num list and print it as the output. Now let's see how to form the num list. The first integer of the num list is always n, and if n is divisible by k, then n slash k for k times to the num list will be repeated. The process must be repeated for all the integers which are added to the num list. So first we are going to accept the integer n and k and form a num list and print it as the output. So let's see how to form the num list. First integer of num list is always n, and if n is divisible by k, then n slash k for k times to the num list, then must be repeated for all the integers which are added to the num list. So this is the first test case, that is 4 and 2. N is 4, k is 2. So first we'll have integer n, that is 4. So now 4 slash, that is 4 divided by k, that is 4 by 2 is 2. So it must be repeated for k times, so 2 times. And now we have 2. Now 2 divided by 2 is 1. So we'll have 1 for k times, that is 1 1. And again for this 2 we again have 2 1. And then for 1 1 is not divisible by 2. So the loop will break here, and this will be our output. And now we'll take our another test case. So in this test case we have 10, which is divisible by 5. So 10 slash 5 is 2, and it must be repeated for k times. And after this 2 is not divisible by 5, so the loop will stop here, and this will be our output. Now we'll understand the logic of this program. The program has to accept the integer, that is the input integer n and k, and then we must form the num list. So num list equal to n, and the index will be 0 initially, and then while the num list of index mod k is equal to 0, that is, if the index number is divisible by k, then we are going to just add it to the num list, and here we have double slash k, and for k times it will be repeated. So for k times to num list, and the index will also be incremented by 1. and after incrementing the index, finally we'll print the num list as the output.